Join me as I dive into the latest KC stock trends and challenge myself to predict where it's headed next. KC stocks have been on a wild ride lately, and as an investor, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. That's why today, I'll be sharing expert insights that can help you make informed decisions in this current market climate. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, you won't want to miss these valuable takeaways. Investing in the current market can be tough, to say the least. Volatility is at an all-time high, and economic indicators are giving us mixed signals. One day, the market is soaring, and the next, it's plummeting. It's enough to give you whiplash. And to make matters worse, the pandemic has turned the global economy on its head, making it even harder to predict what's going to happen next. With so much uncertainty, it's no wonder investors are left feeling anxious and unsure about their next move. On top of that, the constant stream of conflicting information from the media can be overwhelming, leaving you wondering who to trust and what to believe. And let's not forget about the emotions that come into play when our hard-earned money is on the line. Fear, greed, and anxiety can all cloud our judgment, leading to impulsive decisions that we might later regret. But despite these challenges, there is a way to cut through the noise and make informed investment decisions. By staying up to date on the latest trends and insights from experts, you can gain a valuable edge in the market. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. So stay tuned, because you won't want to miss the expert insights that are about to be shared. KC stocks have been doing some interesting things lately. According to recent data, we're seeing a surge in growth in certain sectors, while others are experiencing a slowdown. For example, the tech industry has been booming, with companies like Google and Microsoft leading the charge. On the other hand, the energy sector has been struggling, with many companies facing significant headwinds. But what does this mean for investors? Well, according to experts, this trend is likely to continue in the short term, with tech stocks expected to remain strong and energy stocks potentially facing further declines. But that's not all. We're also seeing some interesting trends in terms of valuation. According to some analysts, certain KC stocks are grossly undervalued, while others are overvalued. This presents a potential buying opportunity for savvy investors who are willing to do their research and take a closer look. And speaking of research, we've seen some fascinating studies come out recently that shed light on the performance of KC stocks in different economic conditions. For example, one study found that KC stocks tend to outperform the broader market during times of high inflation. This is crucial information that can help inform investment decisions and maximize returns. One of the most crucial insights from experts right now is that KC stocks are poised for a major correction. According to some analysts, the market is due for a significant downturn, and investors need to be prepared. This is especially important for those who are heavily invested in the tech sector, which could be most affected by a correction. But what does this mean for investors? Well, it means that now is the time to start diversifying your portfolio and taking a closer look at your risk tolerance. It also means that investors need to be prepared to adapt quickly to changing market conditions and be willing to make adjustments as needed. Another key insight from experts is that KC stocks are likely to experience a resurgence in the long term. According to some analysts, the current downturn is just a temporary blip on the radar, and KC stocks are poised to bounce back in a big way. This presents a potential buying opportunity for investors who are willing to take a long-term view and ride out the market fluctuations. And speaking of long-term views, we've seen some fascinating research on the performance of KC stocks over the past decade. According to one study, KC stocks have consistently outperformed the broader market over the past 10 years, making them a solid choice for long-term investors. In conclusion, the insights shared in this video are crucial for any investor looking to stay ahead of the curve in the current market climate. From the trends in KC stocks to the expert predictions for the future, it's clear that there are opportunities abound for those who are willing to do their research and stay informed. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, I hope you found this video informative and valuable. If you have any thoughts or questions, please be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest financial insights, be sure to check out my other videos for more information.